Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching this, by the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, it'd mean a lot. I'm out in the cornfield right now. Let's see, we had a little wind damage to our corn. Kind of got a hold of the leaves and ripped them apart. So we're going to go in a little ways and check it out. Probably fly the drone up later. You can tell it's just leaning a little bit. Looks like it should recover from this. We had a bunch of fields that took a beating last week in the area. There's a little green snap there. That's the only plant I've seen so far. It snapped. But yeah, we had a couple storms there that blew the corn over pretty good here. There's not really much you can do about it. It's just one of those things that happens. You hate to see it, but you can't really control it. Mother Nature has her own plans every year. This corn's about 7 feet tall. It was looking really good until that last week. There's like 2 separate storms that came through. I could be wrong, but this is just wind damage. Hail damage puts holes in the leaves. Wind damage just tears them a little. Once in a while it snaps off. We're not seeing a whole lot of that. I just saw one plant so far. Should be alright. We'll chop most of this anyways. We had some green snap a few years ago. This looks better than that did. It's mainly just the top few leaves that had damage. We were pretty fortunate on most of our farms. There's other farms in the area that I've seen that didn't pan out so well. Like I said, it's just one of those things that happens. Go over here a little ways and see what's up over here. This corn was planted around the 16th of May. But imagine in a few weeks here it'll start tasseling. We planted a little later than some people. Not good. It's kind of a shame. It was about the perfect growing season up until that last week there. Just had 2 bad storms to go through. Got really windy. We had a little like pea-sized hail, but nothing too major. But those 60-mile-an-hour winds, 60 plus, those are what did it. So we'll get the drone up and fly around a little bit, maybe check out one of our shorter fields, see what happened to that. Today is the 13th of July. That storm rolled through on the 11th, which is Saturday. Today's Monday. There's also one, I think it was last Tuesday or Wednesday, that did a little damage, but the last one was pretty severe. It's one of the worst spots in the field here. Hopefully it recovers. So this field was planted after we took some rye off of it. It's a little shorter. I want to say it got planted around about the 7th of June. Pretty sure that's right. It was a Sunday, I remember. You can tell it had a little wind damage to it. I think it'll be fine still. I think about every plant looks like that. So we'll, I guess I'll fly the drone over this too. Everyone seems to like the drone footage. Saves a lot of walking too. Sudan grass leaves took a little hit too. Almost waist high in the good areas. Probably be chopping that in 10 days to 2 weeks here. So like I said, I know there's a lot worse areas in the country that got hit worse than us, so you can let us know in the comment section how bad the corn is in your area or how good it is looking so far. We panned out pretty well, all things considered. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage there. Like I said, there wasn't really much we could do about this. It's just something that happens. You can plan everything out and it'll work perfect until Mother Nature comes along and she has plans of her own, so we control what we control and don't worry about the rest, really. Take care, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.